Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a lot of people of course are asking when will 24H2 be released. Some people saw my videos where I have 24H2 and were wondering why they weren't getting it now. Remember that it's not released yet, it's in the insider rings, and so that's why I got it, because I'm on the release preview of the insider rings, and on this machine I'm the Canary version, so this is where it all gets there now. And the regular standard user, we will get it later this year. Actually, a documentation that leaked this does mention, and we knew it already, that this was going to be a release later this year. It says later in the year, so one of the things that I think is that we're probably not looking at September, but maybe more like October or November for the release of 24H2. Now, somebody asked me why Microsoft did two releases. I mean, 24H2 is available on Qualcomm, Snapdragon series processors with NPUs, and they call them, of course, Copilot plus PCs. Now, it's obvious that Microsoft has tried a little stunt here by releasing 24H2 on that hardware. It's trying to boost the Snapdragon and the ARM processor hardware sales. So basically, the reason they made this release now for that, they're trying to boost the sales of ARM Windows PCs. Is it working? Is that strategy good? I'm not sure it is necessarily, but of course Intel and AMD will be getting 24H2 later this year, and they are saying that they are working on a version of Recall that could work on Intel AMD processors that would have NPUs. I don't know if they're pushing it, and maybe you want to have Recall at some point on a standard PC. But if you buy latest hardware and have a AMD or Intel processor that includes an NPU, maybe somewhere in 2025 you could get some of the new AI features that are exclusive to the ARM processors right now, including Recall. So September, October is what we're looking for. I would say October probably for 24H2 for everyone. So that's coming up, only a few months from now. So we'll be checking that out and talking about it for sure. If you want it immediately, by the way, you just go to the release preview in the dev channel, the release preview channel, in the insider rings, and you can get 24H2 right now. But honestly, I think everybody should just wait for the official release. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.